In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the correct MyDStv app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So you can download and install MyDStv app either on Android smartphone or even on your iPhone. For this case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll take you through a step-by-step process to do so. Now to get started, first I'll need to uninstall this app before I can take you through the whole process. Now to start, go to App Store if you're on iPhone, or if you're on Android like me, look for this app called Play Store. Under Play Store, log in with your Gmail account, or if you're on iPhone, you'll need your Apple ID before you can search for your app here. So I just tap on search and then search the app by name. So I'll just search MyDStv app like that and then run the search. And you can see we have our first option here. I'll tap on it. So now that you have the correct app, make sure it is from MultiChoice Support Service Limited. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.2 with over 10,000 reviews. And another data you need to look for is the number of downloads. Currently, this app has over 5 million downloads. By the time you are watching this data might have changed. So you have to put this in mind. And the average size is 68 MBs. If you see this data, then you'll know that you have the right app, and this is the current logo for this app. Now to get it, tap on install, and this will download the latest version of MyDStv app, then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can proceed and open it from here. Or if you go back to your apps, so let me try go back. Now you can see we have our app here. So if I tap on it, this is the welcoming interface. You can now log into your account to start enjoying MultiChoice or DStv services straight from this app. So that's how you can install the correct MyDStv app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.